Comment 706 reminds you that you're looking at a backwards percentage question. A backwards question is just when you're given the answer and you have to work out what the question is. Often there's loads of possibilities. If I tell you the answer to a maths question is 8, the question could be 3 plus 5 or 4 times 2. Loads of possibilities. But for a backwards percentage question, there's usually only one possibility. There's a very specific method for doing it. The issue is you just have to spot it. So I'll just give you a quick explanation of what I'm talking about. Let's say 20 becomes 25 and you have to work out what percentage increase that is. Well, the straightforward increase is 5. But what is it as a percentage? Well, you could do 5 over 20 times 100, or you could do 5 over 25 times 100. The timesing by 100 is just what converts it to a percentage. The issue is to use the original figure or the final figure. Now, whoever was inventing this percentage topic, they got to decide this, and they decided we would always use the original figure. So that is wrong, and that is correct. So the percentage increase is 25%, because 5 over the original figure times 100 is 25%. Now, that means you need to be on the lookout for any questions where the original figure is missing, because they are backwards questions. You cannot, they've given you the answer, okay? And you have to work back to what the original figure is. So a classic example is this. After a 20% price increase, a fridge is £240. What was the price? Well, there's loads of things that should tell you this is a backwards question. There's the past tense there, there's the word after there. But even without those, you should be searching for the original figure, because if you don't have the original figure, then you cannot just work out 20% of something. So you cannot go 20% of 240 and then subtract. That is using the final figure when percentage methods only use the original figure. Now, there's a method for it. I'll quickly explain what it is. You just say 120% is 240. Therefore, 20% is 40. That's just me dividing both sides by 6, and therefore 100% is 200. Now, that's just a very quick demonstration of the method, but there's a whole separate video on that. So I think it's called reverse percentage questions or backwards percentage questions. The key with 706 is to spot the situations where you are not given the original figure. In this question, increase 100 by 15%. You are given the original figure. It's right there in front of you. It's not a backwards question. So you can work out 15% of 100 and then add it on. But in this one, you cannot work out 20% of 200 and take it off, because that is using the final figure, and the rules of the game say you have to use the original figure. Now, if you get comment 706 a lot, that is something that you should put in big bold lights on a summary revision poster that you make for this topic. And if you make it a huge amount, then it should be something that you put in a little memorized list of your top 10 or 20 mistakes that you jot down when an exam starts. Okay, so that's comment 706.